Hi, let's start with basic user interface. Open Photoshop from Start menu. Make sure when you're using Photoshop, disconnect your PC from Internet. Click on Create New. A new document dialog box will appear. Here you can select your document size, whether you want artwork, photo, or film poster. We are selecting print for this demonstration. Now select A4 paper size from the list. As you can see, all the information automatically filled. By default, paper dimension is in mm. From drop-down menu, you can select inches and click Create. Now to zoom in or zoom out in Canvas, you have press Alt button along with mouse scroll wheel. Inside the File menu, you will find important options like Save, Open, and Export. Inside the Photoshop, we have different type of workspace to work with 3D, photography, painting. You can select different workspace from this little workspace icon. In this demonstration, we are using Essential as our workspace. Let's start with Marquee Tool. We have total 4 types of Marquee Tool inside Photoshop. We are demonstrating with Rectangle Marquee Tool. This tool allows you to select areas quickly. For advanced selection, these feature works perfectly. Singular selection only works for one-time selection, but multiple selection allows you to select multiple areas at same time. Subtract and intersect also works the same way. To deselect everything, press Ctrl+D. Next, we have Lasso tool. Under this toolset, we are using Polygon Lasso tool for our workflow. This selection tool allows us to manually select areas to our floor plans or site plans. Different selection, subtraction and intersection work same as Marquee tool. Next we have very powerful tools, Object Selection and Magic Wand, but first import an image inside this canvas. Just copy-paste from the web page and it will automatically import inside Photoshop. Once import, you will see Transform Point. By dragging and adjusting, you can resize the image as you want. Once done with adjustment, check the Layer panel. You will see Tour Image above background white layer. You can delete white layer and make your image as current layer and lock it. Now select the Object Section tool and unlock the layer. This tool automatically detects the object inside the photo and make temporary selection with pink outline. By clicking on Image, you can make selection and multiple selection. Subtraction intersection works the same as previously discussed. Now let's select the Magic Wand tool, which select the same color profile area, and this can be adjusted via tolerance value. Higher the value, precise the selection, but sometimes it loses the quality. Let's talk about the Crop tool, which will allow you to crop the image dimensions directly inside Photoshop. Eyedropper tool, which allows us to grab the color value from images. Click on the color picker icon and click on the color using Eyedropper tool. This will provide the color value inside color picker. Grabbed color value stored inside color picker. Next, we have Brush tool, which we will cover with patterns in the next chapter. After that, we have Eraser tool, which allows us to erase directly on marked area. Inside this toolset, we have Background Eraser and Magic Eraser also. Background Eraser directly remove background from the images. Next tool is Gradient, which allows us to crease seamless color blends patterns. Create a new layer from right corner New Layer icon and drag the line after selecting Gradient tool. This will create seamless color blend between two colors. You can now create and adjust the settings from Gradient Editor. Next, we have Shapes tool, which allows us to create different shape like rectangle, ellipse, line, triangle, polygon, and some custom shapes. We can adjust border thickness from right side panel. When selecting custom shapes, we can import third-party custom shapes also inside Photoshop. Last but not least, we have Text toolset, which allows us to add text inside Photoshop.